So hello everybody. So guys, today I have Mi 10T and today I am going to install SIM card SD card on this 5G phone. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, first power of the phone. So guys, because I am making this video, the reason for making this video is that people may can know that two SIM card and one SD card can be inserted into same time or not. So guys, here I am using EZ tool. So guys, that one is the card slot. Here you can see. So guys, here you can insert two SIM card and you cannot insert SD card. This why I am making video that people may can know that how much you can insert SIM card SD card into the phone or not. So hard press the power key and power on the phone. Wait for network. So guys, here phone is rebooted and from upper side you can see network. Thank you for watching video. Love you all. Support my channel.